Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to track your face. I'm doing my face tracking on Roblox. So this is a new feature. You can get this feature by doing simple steps. Just need to follow me in this video till the end to get this feature, and it's amazing feature. You will enjoy it. So let me show you how it works, how the face tracking works. So if I open my face, uh, you can see that it's tracking. If I raise my eyebrow, you can see that. And if I blink my one eyes, you can see. So it's working properly, and you just need to have a device or mobile with a perfect camera or a PC with a webcam to get this feature. And also you need to meet some requirement. What are those? Let me show you what are those. First of all, you have to open a browser and go to roblox.com. In browser, guys, you have to go to settings. Once you're here, guys, first of all, in the account info, you have to be in account info, and first of all, you have to verify your age by clicking on this age verify and enter your verify age, date of birth, and then click on verify your age. So you have to do this process on mobile. You can't do this on PC. So when you click on this age verified, it will take you to the browser and ask you to upload the front and back side of the government issue ID, whether it is a license or a voter ID card, whatever you have to upload the both side of the ID, and also you have to take the your selfie and upload it. So it's by using this process they will verify your age, and once you verify your age, you have to open the privacy. In privacy, these two options will be uh, updated after verifying the age. And once it is verified, now you just need to enable these two options by clicking on the toggle button. Once you enable, guys, now you just need to open the game. Look for a game that supports microphone and camera as communications. And now you have to click on the Roblox icon and click on enable these three options. So one is for the microphone, second is for the camera permissions, and third four is for the face cam. So once you enable these options, the face cam, this is a face cam, and when you enable the camera, it will track your face movement and the face expression. And when you enable the microphone, it will track your voice. Fine. So these are the things you can try out. But before that, one more thing I just forget to tell you that you need to open a browser again and go to our avatar. In avatar, you have to go to head and body and go to styles. In style, you have to choose one of the style here. If you don't see any style if you don't have this high dynamic heads, you can get this dynamic head. I can give you a link of this item. This is free of cost. If you want to spend some Robux, you can get these amazing dynamic head as well. So to get the face tracking, guys, you need to choose one of the dynamic head. So it gives you a full animated face. And once you choose these options, and once you enable these options, now you just need to head over to your game and see how it works, and it's mm, working perfectly. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new on channel.